Hi everyone, I'd like to welcome you to number 46 Wattlebird Drive in Twin Waters. If you're looking for an affordable single level home surrounded by nature, then this is absolutely the property for you. As you can see, this is a gorgeous home. It's been beautifully upgraded by the current owners. It's light, bright, you've got this beautiful outdoor area and stunning gardens backing onto the nature reserve. If you would love to call this gorgeous property home, call me, John Blackmore at LJ Hooker Twin Waters, and I'd love to show you through.